This sniper entry video will show you the entries that you can quickly get on gold setups, okay, using the only two moving averages that I'll show you in this video. So now if you want to get sniper entries on gold, just go and add these two moving averages on your chart, guys. They give you they confirm the trend where the market is moving, and also you wait for the retest on them for the move that you want to take, guys. Okay, this is a 200 exponential moving average and a 50 exponential moving average, right? So now this is how we shall trade them. We shall always trade them when the market is trading below or above them. Okay, when the market is trading below them, of course, that is a bearish trend, and when the market is above them, that is a bullish trend. You can see that here. This blue one is a 200, and the other gray one it is a yellow or brown. The other brown one it is a 50 exponential moving average. You can see how the market was bullish because 50 exponential moving average was above 200 exponential moving average, and the market was above all the two of them. And you can see the moves. You can see how it has moved. Now for the bearish trend, you can see here, okay, this brown one, which is 50, it was below the other blue one, which is 200, and the market was below all of them, and you can see the moves. So this is how we enter. Always wait for the market to come back to your moving average, right? When the market comes back to your moving average, wait for confirmation, wait for the rejection on that moving average. Now, for example, here, let me show you just slowly right here, and you'll be able to confirm this trend, right? So when the market comes to your moving average from right here, okay, so the market, it retraced your moving average, it rejected. You have to wait for the rejection. So you either the market will close leaving a wick below, okay, leaving a wick above the moving average, and it closes below this. But now here you can see the rejection. It rejected with this bearish candle, confirming to us that we are of course bearish, and you can see after the move. So now your role is to wait for the market actually to retrace to your moving average after confirming that it is below it, right? So now let's go to this bullish trend right here. So now for this bullish trend, we shall wait for the market to come and tap on our moving average, reject it, and we enter the market, guys. It is right here. Can you see this move? This move was really nice, okay? This was a retracement our moving average. It rejected it, okay? It created this doji candle right here. You can see the move after this rejection, and this is confirmed after all these moving averages are below our price, okay? Our price is above all these two moving averages. It is a bullish trend, and you can add other conferences, the break of market structure, the retracement creating a doji candle, then boom, you can see, right? But after the rejection on our moving average. Let me show you other examples for you to confirm this market, that when it really comes to your moving average, it will be a 50% move, right? So now you can see also here the market came to your moving average, it reacted, it closed above your moving average. When it closes below, of course the trend would have changed, but now when it closes above, leaving a wick and giving you confirmation, boom, you can see how it actually moves after all that, guys, right? So now let me show you another example. Examples, they are really very many, and they are really happening. You can see the move there. The market came, it retested your moving average right here, closed above, leaving a wick, giving a bullish engulfing confirmation, then boom. And also you can see the break of market structure, meaning that all the conferences, they are met. There are very many examples, also bearish examples, they are here. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Pay attention, guys, here. When the market closes below the moving average, it means that we have changed direction. It is right here. Here the market actually, it moved this candle. Now it didn't reject it leaving a wick, rather it closed with the full body on this moving average. When it closes with full, it means that we have changed. Now we have been bullish, now we are bearish, because the market has closed below our 50 exponential moving average. Now we are waiting for the retracement, and we sell. It is right here. It retraced, it created this hammer right here. So now you can see it closed below this moving average, leaving wicks, meaning that this is a sell trade. You can see how it moved after confirming that bearish trend, guys, okay? So now also this example can show you right here, guys, okay? When the market actually closed above, okay, you can see right here the market actually closed above our moving average, confirming to us that we are bearish. Now we are bullish because this one closed with the full body candle. Now we start looking for bullish momentum, bullish candles. Now you can see the retracement to your moving average, closing above, leaving a wick, then boom, you can see all that bullish move that the market actually made. You can see that it has bought and bought and bought and bought again, guys. These examples, they are very many, they cannot even get over, guys. The market, it is just respecting the moving averages. So when you really pay attention to this strategy, you will get sniper entries on gold, guys. So hope this video has helped you, and if you really want to trade with me, you can join my Telegram group and you really trade my setups. I also trade, okay?